Fail on tester. Practically this IC is working. I purchased CD4017 6 pieces new ICs and I tested using this ABI LinearMaster compact digital IC tester. 2 ICs are good on this tester while other 4 are failing here. Let's verify these ICs and then we will test using manual testing. It is CD4017 one. The second is also CD4017. All ICs are same 4017. I will test using this ABI LinearMaster digital IC tester. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. I placed this IC in the IC socket 4017 test. This IC is passed. Now I will test this IC. This IC is showing fail. The same IC 4017, one fail, one pass. And it is also 4017 fail. One IC pass. This is also fail. And this is the 6th one. It is also showing fail. Really amazing. These 2 ICs are pass here. I made this circuit. I applied 12 volt power supply at pin number 16, clock at pin number 14, 8, 13, 15, connected to ground, pin number 11, 9, 6, 5, 1, 10, 7, 4, 2, 3. These are with sequence. I connected to LED, 1K resistor, resistor second and grounded. I connected a XY PWM module, same IC. This IC is fail here. I will test it again. Yes, it is fail. I will connect on this project board. While this IC is working, I tested on tester, it is showing fail, but practically the IC is working good. What's wrong here? I think it is a question mark on testing of this tester. Okay, the same IC. Now I will remove from here and I will connect it again here. Disconnected power. Fail. It's really wonderful. Okay, keep this IC aside. Second IC. It is also fail here. Let's test it manually. Index mark. Yes, it's also good. Fail on tester. Practically this IC is working. What do you think? What is the problem in this situation? When IC tester is giving fail, let's check it again. Yes, it is fail. These both ICs pass in manual testing, but in tester fail. Let's check this IC now. Fail. Yes, it is also pass. Here fail, here pass. I am leaving this question for the manufacturer for this product. Test. It is fail. Let's test in loop. Fail. P loop. Fail. F loop. Fail loop. It is fail. It is permanently fail on this tester. But practically in manual testing the IC is pass. It is also fail. So this is the reason most of the time I test ICs manually. Fail. Now I will connect on this tester. Perfect. This IC is working good. Out of 6 ICs, only 2 ICs are good on this tester, while other 4 are failing here but passing on this manual tester. Here fail, practically pass. Let's repeat these ICs and then we will test it manually. Actually these both ICs are passing here. Pass. Good. What is the possibility of this failure? Do you have any idea about this condition that IC is failing on tester but manual test is passing this IC? If you have similar experience, please write in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.